Understanding conditional statements.
Conditional statements let programs make decisions based on conditions. The basic form is the if-else statement. If a condition is true, one block of code runs. If not, another block runs. This is fundamental for controlling program behavior. Let's see how to write simple if-else statements in 4 popular languages.
If-else in Python.
In Python, if-else statements are simple and indentation is crucial. Here's an example. If x is greater than 0, print positive, else print non-positive. Notice the lack of parentheses and braces. The code inside each block is identified by its indentation.
If-else in Java.
Java uses parentheses for the condition and curly braces for code blocks. Here's how it looks. If x equals 0, system out println positive. Else, system out println non-positive. Java is strict about using semicolons and braces, even for single statements.
If-else in JavaScript.
In JavaScript, the if-else syntax is similar to Java's. If x greater than 0, console.log positive, else console.log non-positive. JavaScript also uses parentheses and curly braces, and a semicolon ends each statement.
If-else in C++.
For C++, the if-else structure closely mirrors Java and JavaScript. If x is greater than 0, std count positive endl, else non-positive endl. Use include iostream for input and output in C++.
Key differences and similarities.
While the logic of if-else is consistent across languages, syntax varies. Python relies on indentation, while Java, JavaScript, and C++ use parentheses for conditions and braces for code blocks. Always check language-specific rules for details like semicolons and variable declarations.